Hello all. Now we are in a square English classes. We are learning multiple option questions. Here the question is I haven't got dash money. Options they have given some, any, dash and some. The right answer is any. I haven't got any money. So next is we are late. The teacher will get angry with dash. Options are they, us, we, them. So since we are late, the teacher will get angry with us. We can use us. We can use us. We are late, the teacher will get angry with us. Likewise, next question is my father is dash engineer. Options are an, a, the, one. Here engineer first letter is in vowel. We select an engineer. My father is an engineer. This is not my bicycle, it is my dash bicycle. So options are father, dash, fathers and father apostrophe. So here father's bicycle. This is not my bicycle, it is my father's bicycle. We are in a square English classes. If you like, you can press the like button, subscribe us, mail us for any support, share those who are interested to learn English. Cats can wash, pass and fur. So we need to observe cats can wash is, its, their, them. So we can't use is. We can use its. Cats can wash its paws and fur. There is some milk. I would like to drink it. It's on them. So I can use it. So there is some milk. Some milk we can use it. Prashant is talking to two. Option 1 is nothing. Woman, girl, women's. Woman apostrophe yes. So we can't use this because we are not using apostrophe here. Girl is singular, we can't use this. Here you can see two. Two is there means it's a plural. Woman is there, e. So woman. So I can use woman. So Prashant is talking to two women. Like if you like the syllabus, all the dash are following the man. One is woman, one is policeman, one is children, one is dog. See here all is there. The word all represents plural. So here plural we can't use woman because it's a singular. Policeman we can't use this. We can't use this. Children is a plural, so we can use. So all the children are following the man. There are many dash on the table. So there are many is there dash on the table. So we'll see the options paper, book, magazines, item. Here many is there, it's a plural. Paper we can't use, book we can't use, magazines plural, item is singular. So only one option is magazine is the plural. I can use magazine. Magazines. There are many magazines on the table. Next, I can see a lot of dash outside the building. You try yourself. See the question, understand the question thoroughly. Try yourself with the options. I can see a lot of dash outside the building. So girls, flower, animal, tree. See here a lot of is there. So this also represents plural. So I can use girls. So I can see a lot of girls outside the building. Next question. There is a lot of ice in dash refrigerator. Nothing is there. A is there. An is there. The is there. So I can't use A. It's not about one product. I can't use an because there is no vowel and is that related to one product. So the, I can use the. There is a lot of ice in the refrigerator. Next, give me 2 dash cake please. Here pieces, slice, pieces of. So give me 2, it's a plural, we can use this also, since along with the of there is no of here, so I should use this piece also. So give me 2 pieces of cake please. This is the right answer. Give me 2 pieces of cake please. Question is, dash students are looking for their ball. So one is that, those, this, they. See, students is there plural, so only word is with the plural is those. Those students are looking for their ball. Next, please send me dictionary. See, please send me dictionary. These, that, it, those. So here understand the question, send me dictionary, it's only singular, so I can't use these. That I can use, it I can't use, those I can't use. So here please send me that dictionary. Next, is this your suitcase? No, is my suitcase. So here options are these, that, it, its. So I can't use these because it's a this only, it's a singular, one thing is singular. No, this opposite that. No, that is not my, that is my suitcase. You can't use it or its. So is this your suitcase? No, that is my suitcase. Nikhil and Usha are going to dash house. So options are they, there, is, them. Nikhil and Usha, I need to consider these two, Nikhil and Usha, more than one. So here I can tell that they. So they are going to their house. So instead of Nikhil and Usha, I can use they are going to their house. So this is the right answer. Next, my brother and I are hungry dash thirsty too. My brother and I. So we can tell we. So we are thirsty too. My brother and I are hungry, we are thirsty too. Take Yogesh and Ishwar to dash rooms. So here Yogesh and Ishwar. Here her we can't use, them we can't use, they we can't use, there. So Yogesh and Ishwar, take Yogesh and Ishwar to their rooms. Likewise, next question is, father is calling Anu and me. See, father is calling Anu and me, he wants. We can't use we, us is there, them is there, him is there. So Anu and me means us. He wants us. Father is calling Anu and me, he wants us. So me is also included, so that's what we use, us. Next, Preeti dropped some books, so I pick dash up for me. Preeti dropped some books, so I picked up for her. It, them, its, they. See, here Preeti dropped some books is there, no, we have to concentrate some books. So I picked some books means I can use them. So I picked them up for her. Next, the boys are holding up dash hands. The boys. The boys options are there, they, them. So we can use boys there because the boys, instead of boys we can use they also. So they are holding up their hands, like that we can use. So option A, answer is there. Next is Shashi and I washed hands. So I is included with the Shashi. He and I we can tell washed dash ants. So both I including me one is there. So what I'm going to tell you is we can't use there. It's not about third person plural. So here we can use our. So Shashi and I washed our hands. Next, look at that house. All dash windows are broken. Look at that house. All dash windows are broken. Options are there, is, its. Okay. So windows. So we can't use there. We can't use is. We can't use it is. We can use its. So I can use its. Its all its windows are broken. Next, the dress is dirty. There is a color on. The dress is dirty. There is a color on. So here we are telling about the dress. The dress means we can't use them. We can't use they. Of course, we can use it. So there is a color on it. The dress is dirty. There is a